Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, how to solve these types of algebraic equation we are going to find out. Okay. So for that, they have given a x term and a number term. They have x term and a number term. I am going to shift this x term towards left side and shift this right term, number term towards right side. Okay. This is for the important step in the problem. Please listen here. Now this is the x term. So I am going to write this in left side. 2 by 5x. So if we see here, this is also a x term. So but it's in right side. So now I'm going to move this x term towards left. Therefore this is in plus sign. Is it? So if this shift towards left side, the sign get changed as minus. Okay. So minus 5 by 8x, which is equal to, in right side the number is minus 16 is there. So I'm going to write as it is. Now I'm going to shift this minus 15 towards right. Therefore this minus sign, change it as plus and write it as 15. Okay. This is what the important step. Next, if you see here in the both the terms x is common. So I'm going to take that out. Okay. So remaining is 2 by 5 here and minus here 5 by 8, which is equal to minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1. We know that, right? Now what you have to do, I'm going to take LCM for these two. There is no common digit between 5 and 8. Therefore 5, the LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. 8 into 5, 40. Okay. So in order to get 40, I am going to multiple this with 8 and 8 here. Similarly, I am going to multiple 5 and 5 here. So therefore this becomes 2 8s are 16 divided by 40 minus 5 5s are 25 divided by 8 5s are 40. Okay. Now we get the denominator as same. So we can minus the numerator. Therefore x is equal to x of 16 minus 25 divided by 40, which is equal to minus 1. So 5, 4, 9. Okay. So 25 minus 16 is 9. The greater digit is has minus symbol. So minus 9 by 40, which is equal to minus 1. So if you look here, so this is in multiple. So I need only x in the left hand side. So now I'm going to move this number towards right. So this is in multiplication. If it's in plus, change it as minus. If it is minus, change it as plus. But it's in division, it's in multiplication. Then it's change it as what? Division. So minus 1 divided by here minus 9 divided by 40. Okay. Now minus 1 divided by this. So in order to find, if it will be like this, x by y by z, then we can shift this. Then we can write x into z divided by y. Okay. We can able to do this. So similarly apply this. This term get reciprocal and write it in multiplication. Therefore, which is equal to minus 1 into this 40 divided by minus 9. So this minus and minus get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to, here 1 into 40 is 40 divided by 9. So we can't able to divide this and this, but we can also write this in improper function, then know that answer also. So if your answer is an improper, if your option is in improper functions, then you can use this technique. Okay, 40 divided by 9, right? So what term nearer to this? 9 4s are 36, is it? So 4. If 9 5s are 45, it's exceed. So 9 4s are 36. So remainder is 4. So now we'll get answer, another answer. This is also answer. So if option is an improper function, then the answer is or. This 4 is in numerator. This 4 is in side, and in numerator this 4 and divided by divisible number is 9. Okay, this is for the improper function. We get the 2 value for x. Based on your options, you can select the correct answer. Okay, today class is over. So please practice twice and thrice, and each and every step write it as clear and practice. Have a nice day. Bye bye.